Microsoft delays plan to let Teams users join meetings with digital ID. Microsoft announced in April that starting in May, it would begin rolling out a new option for joining Teams meetings using a digital code. According to a new report from Petri, the company has decided to postpone the launch of this feature indefinitely, and it will no longer be available this summer. Earlier this month, the Redmond team posted an update on the Microsoft 365 Admin Center indicating that the team is no longer moving forward with the release and will communicate a new timeline in the future. At this time, we will not be proceeding with the feature rollout as planned. We're evaluating changes in light of feedback and will announce our new plan via the message center when we're ready to move forward, the company explained. There's no word on when Teams users will be able to use the feature, or whether it will arrive this year as planned. The Microsoft 365 roadmap has not yet been updated to reflect the delay, and it still states that the feature will be available in June. Microsoft Teams already allows organizers to share a meeting link with attendees or directly invite them, but the new feature will allow users to join a meeting by entering a meeting ID. In scenarios where the meeting link is not available, this update will provide an additional way for attendees to join a virtual meeting. This option will be available on the desktop, mobile, and web clients of Microsoft Teams. This feature has been available on other platforms, including Zoom, for some time, so it's unclear when Microsoft plans to release this update. In case you missed it, Microsoft also postponed the launch of shared channels in Teams earlier this year, rescheduling the update for November 2021.